Hello, it's Kelly Timecat. This is always quite a strange week, regardless of whether you're working or not, I think, since I've done both over the years. I'm on holiday this year, and yet I've chosen to spend a lot of it working on my YouTube channel. So I'm kind of working. At the moment, I suppose it's still kind of a hobby, but it might become my future job. I love making videos, so perhaps it doesn't matter too much at present. As you know, probably, I'm in the middle of my review of films I've seen in 2022, and quarter two took a lot more effort than quarter one, perhaps because I need to review my scoring system. I chose nearly twice as many films for April to June as January to March. On 27th of December, the weather took a turn for the worse. That day, Tuesday, was particularly parlous. I wasn't sure if I was going to get outside for a walk at all, and when I did, I ended up getting quite soaked. The forecast was for much more wind and rain over the days ahead, and since I don't have access to my treadmill, I decided it might be an idea to buy a Meta Quest 2. I've been thinking about getting a Meta Quest 2 for a while, or a VR headset for a while. Some friends have persuaded me of the amazing opportunities that virtual reality and gaming can offer. It makes exercising indoors easier, and it looks like I might even be able to watch movies on my headset and see ordinary videos on YouTube VR. I now have my gift to myself. It was pricey, but I thought I might be able to treat myself after receiving some additional salary last month. I hope it was a sensible decision. I am feeling really excited today, but given the rising cost of everything, perhaps my future self will disagree. Tune in to follow-up blogs to find out, I guess. I was thinking of doing an unboxing episode, but I've opened the packaging now, and I've spent the last couple of hours setting it up and getting acquainted to it. Later this evening, I will see if I can watch a film on it. In my next vlog, I'll tell you more about what I think of it. Next time also, I'm thinking of touching on subjects such as diary writing, something I've been doing since I was 11 years old. Also, the general nature of memory, perhaps look at the non-neurotypical spectrum, and also perhaps various mental health matters that I think are important. That's all for this vlog. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.